Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina. I'm an Avon representative. Today I want to show you some stocking stuffers. Now, if any one of you who have not gotten any last minute stocking stuffers or need any stocking stuffers, you feel free to go on my website. I'm going to show some to you today. They're absolutely cute and adorable. Alright, so first thing I want to show you are the lip balms. Okay, they're holiday edition lip balms. Alright, so here we go. There are different flavors. So you can get this one, buttercream lip balm. Okay, there is sugar cookie lip balm. Look at that. Check that out. Alright, and this one is candy cane lip balm. Alright, and these are all holiday edition, okay? So marshmallow lip balm. Alright, so you can get all four on my website. Alright, they're really cute. Great gifts for everybody, you know, from the family. Makes a great little addition into the stockings and stocking stuffers and all. Here you go. Check them all out together here. Alright, holiday edition lip balm. Alright, okay, so these are the lip balms. The other three items I want to show you are the hand creams, the Avon Care hand creams. This one's really cute. It's silicone glove and it has a cute little snowman on it. You know, it comes in really pretty. This one is a skin softening formula that helps protect against dryness. So when you're looking for silicone glove, you get this one. It's to protect against dryness. Okay, so when you get this one, it says Santa blank Santa on it with the mistletoe. It's just super cute, super adorable. So this one is a Vita Moist hand cream. Okay, so this one provides instant moisturization, leaving hands looking softer and smoother. All right, so here's the other one. The last one is the Moisture Therapy Intensive Healing and Repair. This is a popular item in general throughout the year. Doesn't matter what season, any time of the year. It's great for dry skin in general. So it's intensive healing and repair. Has candy canes on it. All right, check this out. It's really nice. So this one is for extra dry skin. All right, so this one is fragrance free. All right, so this is the only one that's fragrance free, I believe. The others might be lightly fragrant, just a little bit. It doesn't say fragrance free on the other ones, but this one is fragrance free for anyone looking for fragrance free products or are sensitive to certain types of hand lotions and hand creams. Here we go. All right, so the next item I want to show you is super cute and super adorable. Here we go. So this is holiday makeup applicator ornament. Here, I'll show you in the box first so you can see it. All right, what they look like in the box. They're ready to go. They're ready to go gifts. So you don't have much wrapping to do or figure out how to wrap it, you know, which way to wrap it. So it comes in this little plastic bag. All right, here we go. And this one, it's a makeup applicator ornament. How cute is that? All right, makes a great little gift. All right, and this one is right here. So one is Christmas tree and one is a snowman. All right, here we go. Look how cute this is. It says Avon on it. All right, so you can find these gifts and all other stocking stuffers at AzraBeautyHub.com. Remember, they're limited time edition, so you might not get it. You know, it's while supplies last, so don't wait, go ahead and get it. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like. If you're looking to become an Avon representative, again, go to my website, AzraBeautyHub.com, click on Become a Representative, and let's connect together. Have a great day and keep smiling.